The Storm Track 5 weather team, alerting you to severe weather danger.
Lots of clouds across the area this afternoon. Kept us a little bit cooler. You notice those clouds here on our Bank of Marion time lapse. A little bit of sunshine at times, but the majority of the day it's kind of cloudy, dreary, and overcast across the area, especially the further east you went. Compliments of Tropical Storm Hermine, which is still spinning across portions of South Carolina. You notice the cloud cover stretching all the way into western North Carolina and into our area, especially in our mountain counties, as the system moves across portions of the Outer Banks and across portions of eastern South Carolina. Also notice a northeast wind flow around this system. That has ushered in a little bit of drier air and cooler air. Combine the two of those, you'll get temperatures tonight that drop down into the middle 50s with partly to mostly cloudy skies. Clouds decreasing overnight. That allows temperatures to drop as we head towards morning. We're expecting around 55 in Abington, 56 in Bristol, 56 as well for Johnson City, around 57 degrees for our friends in Kingsport, and 54 towards the Clintwood area. We could see a stray shower tomorrow, but I think the majority of the day 100% dry and mostly sunny as well across our area, with lots of sunshine showing up here on our future track map. But you do notice one or two little sprinkles, especially across portions of the North Carolina mountains and maybe into our extreme eastern mountain counties, areas towards Butler or maybe over towards Mountain City as well. Perhaps getting an isolated shower. Otherwise, across the entire region, pretty comfortable tomorrow with temperatures cooling down into the lower 80s. A couple degrees warmer perhaps than we were today, with temperatures around 73 in Jefferson, 73 in Boone, 78 in Mountain City, and the same 78 towards Clintwood and Grundy. Now let's talk about the hurricane, or what was a hurricane, now a tropical storm spinning northwest of Charleston, heading off towards the northeast. You see lots of heavy rainfall and a tornado watch across eastern North Carolina, also northeastern South Carolina. Some of those spiral rain bands moving into the Myrtle Beach area, bringing some heavy rainfall. And as the system moves off toward the north and east over the overnight hours and into Saturday, it's going to pretty much just bring some gusty winds to the extreme eastern portions of Virginia and North Carolina. Then it's going to kind of hang off the coastline for a day or two in the northeast. It's going to become a pretty big story for areas near New Jersey, up towards Ocean City, Delaware, and the Hampton Roads area, because this northeast wind causes something we call storm surge. This is our storm surge inundation product. You notice the potential for a couple feet of water in some of these areas. Now let's zoom into Hampton Roads, where I'm from, and we'll kind of talk about this and explain what it is. Storm surge is when the wind pushes the water in areas where it typically isn't. So let's zoom in a little bit closer to the city of Hampton, Poquoson, and Norfolk here. Now I'm going to turn it on and off in terms of our storm surge inundation. And you notice areas right through northern city of Hampton and Poquoson where the water could be 2 to perhaps 4 feet in spots, bringing a potentially dangerous storm surge to that area. And also up across portions of Atlantic City. Areas there could see potential for storm surge as that wind pushes it up into the areas along the coastline, and the same towards New York City. So if you have friends or family along those areas, perhaps give them a call and let them know the potentially dangerous storm heading their way. Now around here, a lot calmer than it will be on the coast as we go through the next couple of days. And I should mention, if you're heading down towards portions of South Carolina, a little bit nicer. Temperatures there back up into the 80s, and conditions a lot nicer too in terms of rainfall as we head into Saturday, Sunday. Pretty nice around here too, Rebecca, over the next 7 or so days.
It looks